To add, remove, and reorder shortcut in the Air command menu in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Tap Air command and then tap shortcut. Alternatively, you can go to the shortcut menu by removing your S Pen to open up the Air command menu and then tap Add. In the shortcut menu, in the live set, you can see the list of S Pen features and apps that you can add a shortcut to the Air command menu, so you can easily access them while you are using your S Pen. And in the right side, you can see the current shortcut in the Air command menu. To add a new shortcut to your Air command menu, tap the required S Pen feature or app. As the example, we will add Magnify to the Air command menu. You can find it under the S Pen feature section. You can see that the shortcut to Magnify has been added to your Air command menu. Next, to remove a shortcut from your Air command menu, tap the small circle with red minus icon on the shortcut you'd like to remove. As the example, we will remove Create Note shortcut. You can see that the shortcut to Create Note has been removed from your Air command menu. Next, to reorder shortcut in your Air command menu, you can do so simply by dragging and dropping a shortcut to change the order. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.